Hello mga kakusina! Welcome po ulit sa inyo dito sa aking cooking channel, the Kusinera At Its Finest. Dahil cooking is life and food is life, panibagong pagluluto na naman po kasama ko. So tara na, let's start cooking! For today's video, tayo po ay magluluto ng sticky spare ribs. To make this recipe, we will need 500 grams of pork spare ribs. And then we will season it with 2 teaspoons of salt. Gagamit din po tayo ng 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and enough water to submerge our spare ribs. Now, ginagawa natin ito para it's a means to remove the impurities na galing sa ating spare ribs para po hindi na po natin pakukuluan. So, we'll just quickly mix this and let it soak for 30 minutes. Now, after 30 minutes mga kakusina, mapapansin ninyo, pinkish na yung liquid na yan. So, itatapon natin yan and huhugasan pa rin natin yung ating spare ribs. Now, in a pan, we will heat up cooking oil enough to pan fry our spare ribs. So, painitin lang natin ang ating wok or pan. And then, we will add our spare ribs. Lulutuin po natin ito hanggang sa hindi na po pinkish yung kulay niya, kundi katulad nito na grayish na. Now, ang style ko mga kakusina, I cook this until I see a little bit of caramelization coming from the meat. And kapag nakita ko na yon, maglalagay na po ako ng luya. This is to remove yung malansang amoy and syempre makakapagdagdag flavor po yan sa ating spare ribs. So, igigisa lang po natin ito ng maigi and then we can start adding 2 tablespoons of soy sauce o kung gusto niyo ng mas maalat pa, pwede namang magdagdag kayo. And then, a whole 500 ml bottle of Sprite. So, ito yung magbibigay ng tamis and syempre yung liquid sa Sprite, yun yung magpapalambot sa ating spare ribs. Now, maglalagay din po tayo ng isang bungkos ng onion leeks. Isasama po natin yan habang pinapalambot natin yung ating spare ribs. Pero tatanggalin din po natin yan later on. So, lulutuin natin po yung ating spare ribs until the meat is tender. It took me about 45 minutes to tenderize the spare ribs. So, ayan, tinanggal ko na yung ating onion leeks. And then, I will continue to cook the spare ribs until thickened na yung sauce and yon nagsistick na siya sa ating spare ribs. So, that is why it's called sticky spare ribs. Siyempre, masarap itong i-partner sa kanin, lalo na kung ilalagay mo yung mantika nito sa ibabaw ng mainit na kanin and magkakamay ka, mga kakusina. So, basically, this is it. This is our sticky spare ribs recipe. I just added a little bit of garnish para naman hindi boring tingnan ang ating recipe for today. It's up to you if you want to add chilies on top. We used simple ingredients and syempre yung mas mura-murang cut ng pork. Dahil napakamahal na ng bilihin ngayon mga kakusina, kailangan natin magtipid. Pero hindi naman natin kailangan magtipid sa sarap. Now, kung nagustuhan mo itong recipe na ito mga kakusina, i-like mo yung video, share it with your family and friends, and mag-subscribe ka na sa channel ko para naman naaabangan mo yung aking upcoming videos and recipes. See you again on the next one mga kakusina. Bye now!